So you've heard a lot about Project Catalyst, but you're not sure how you can register or vote and participate in Cardano's experiment at self-governance? Well, today, let's take a look at how we can register for Project Catalyst together. Welcome back to Woodland Pools. Today, let's take a look at how we can register for Project Catalyst using our Typhon wallet. Let's jump in. Okay, so this video assumes that you've already installed and fully set up your Typhon wallet, and what you want to do now is set up and participate in Project Catalyst. Now, this assumes that you have at least 500 ADA in this wallet. That is a minimum that is imposed by Project Catalyst, but assuming that you do, the first thing you're going to want to do is get your smartphone, scan the QR code, and download your corresponding Project Catalyst voting app. So go ahead and do that, and we'll do the same, and we'll continue from there. Okay, so I went ahead and scanned the QR code. It took me to the App Store for Apple. I'm gonna go ahead and install the Catalyst app. Once it's been installed, go ahead and click on Open. Okay, so the app is installed and open. We're good to go there, so let's click on Continue. Okay, and so now we're gonna make a PIN, and this is gonna be required to be able to log into our Catalyst app to be able to vote. Make sure it's a number that you won't forget and somebody else won't guess. So go ahead and enter your 4-digit PIN, and we'll do the same. Once you've entered your PIN, hit Continue. It's going to ask you to confirm it, type it in again, hit continue. So now what's going to happen is it's going to set up a transaction for us to register this wallet with Project Catalyst. To be able to cast our vote, we're required to keep the balance above 500 ADA until the voting round starts. That's when the snapshot happens. Okay, so here's our registration transaction. Let's click on confirm. We're using a Ledger Nano X, so we're just going to confirm on the device. If you're using a software wallet, you'd enter your spending password at this step. So we're going to go ahead and confirm on the device. Register Catalyst voting keys. Go ahead and confirm again. Confirm voting key registration. So I've moved over the display of our phone to cover up the QR code, but the QR code that's hidden just behind our smartphone there is what we're going to use to link our Project Catalyst voting app with our now registered Typhon wallet. As it says here, do not close or refresh the page without downloading this QR code. This is the only way you're gonna be able to link these two things together, so it's really important that you keep a copy of this QR code downloaded and that you don't let anybody else have access to it. Otherwise, they can scan it with their own Project Catalyst app and vote as you. So go ahead and download this QR code, save it to your computer. We'll do the same, and then we'll continue from there. So once you've downloaded your QR code, go ahead and open it back up. We have it sitting on this other screen right here, and you can go ahead and click on Go Back to Registration. Now, looking at our actual app, Fund the Future of Cardano, we're about to discover ideas. Great, so let's go to Next, Discover and Vote on Proposals, and pick a challenge and click on Proposals to start exploring. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's enroll to receive notifications, allow, and then here's something letting us know that all the amounts displayed are in US dollars, and then it's switched over to ADA when the actual disbursements happen. Got it. Okay, so now we see here that what we need to do is we need to connect our wallet, and this is where the QR code comes in. So we click on Connect Wallet, participate in voting by connecting a supported wallet. Here's Typhon on our list, and what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to scan the QR code. We've done all of this stuff already, so I'm ready to scan my QR code, give it access to the camera. So go ahead and now at this step, go ahead and scan your QR code. We'll do the same, and then we'll go from there. Now remember when we set up our QR code, we had that PIN. Go ahead and enter that PIN on your device now. Once that's done, click on confirm. And so now at this point, we're getting this error because we're doing this well after the last snapshot here that happened on August 4th, but everything is now fully set up. It's just letting us know that for Catalyst Fund 9, we weren't part of that snapshot, and so the QR code that we used is not part of the current snapshot, but we are ready to go for Fund 10 as long as we keep our balance above 500 ADA when the snapshot comes in for Fund 10. So we'll click on OK. So now we're good to go. Everything is all linked up for when it comes time to vote in the next round of Project Catalyst, and in the meantime, we can click on Got It here, and we can scroll through all the different proposals and get an idea of what the proposals look like and how you would vote on them. So now, assuming that you are part of the snapshot for Fund 9, or in the future, when this wallet is part of the snapshot for Fund 10, what you can do is move through the different challenges. Let's look at dApps products and integrations. Then from there, we can see the different proposals. We see here, for example, the Ledger Live integration number 2. This is the proposal from the Strika team, the team that makes the Typhon wallet, continuing the integration of Cardano into Ledger Live. If you are voting in Fund 9, we highly recommend you vote for this proposal. So you would scroll down, and if you want to vote in favor of it, you would give it a thumbs up. And if you want to vote against it, you would give it a thumbs down. So now similarly, you would go through and view all the different proposals that you want to vote on, thumbs up and thumbs down all of them, and then when you're done, you'll come to cast votes, and then you just click on submit and cast your votes that way. Good luck with the Catalyst voting. Let us know how you're enjoying Typhon Wallet so far, and if nothing else, we'll see you in the next video.